3-week defending champions, the Tribal Dancers. The Tribal Dancers, for the third week, competing here at Talentadong Pinoy. Okay, habang pinapatay nila ang kanilang mga apoy, pakinggan natin ng Talent Scouts. Wilma, what do you think of that number?
Bongga yun! Gusto ko yun! Para yung mga ate ko, ang gaganda apoy ang hawak. Bongga. Gusto ko yun. Ate, ikaw, masasabi mo.
Bongga. Okay,
Bongga yun.
This is a real showpiece. It's really a spectacle and ang ganda pala tingnan ng ang ganda tingnan ng flames. No? Beautiful. It was beautiful.
Direct.
Bigla akong na-miss ang Boracay because you have a lot of that sa shoreline ng White Beach ng Boracay. Pero you know, you're all very well coordinated, apparently very well practiced, very daring, at saka pinatunayan yung isang bagay na sinasabi nilang mali. Masarap maglaro ng apoy.
Yeah! Thank you very much, Direct. Maraming salamat, Talent Scouts. Okay, our 3-week defending champions, the Tribal Dancers, please move to the right of the stage.